Hey, what's going on, guys? We're in an apartment building today, and we got to deal with a kitchen sink. So now we just got to find the units. 601. Hello. You got a problem with your kitchen sink?
Yep.
All right, I'm here to take care of that for you. Thank you.
Just think of a few other things.
A few other things? What are the other things?
Well, probably a leak somewhere between the sink pipes in the wall and under the floorboards, or under the subflooring.
Oh, okay, that'll be the plumber to take a look at that.
Exactly. I was just gonna say we need a quote journeyman for that one.
Yeah.
As you can see, the tile's already up.
Yeah.
At first, I thought I just kind of had an accident with some water and spilt it myself, but the last few days, the last few weeks, I finally was able to catch and saw where it was coming from. It just coming from in between all the tiles.
Really, eh?
Yeah. So I told my husband, I said, no, this has to be reported. I said,
Yeah.
I told him, I said, I'm good. This is beyond me.
Yes. No, most definitely.
Dad was an electrician.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So you know all about the trades.
Oh, yeah. Let's just say if I want something done appropriately, I usually just say, please have it completed in a tradesman-like fashion.
There you go.
And as soon as I say that usually gets people's attention. Like, oh.
Yeah, you know what you're talking about.
Like I went into I remember when I lived in the States, I went to the management office. I told them, I said, I've got a switch, it's arcing, you need the electrician to do it now. He said, what do you mean? I said, well, my own meter is going off the chart. It's going off the chart. I said, there's arcing coming from my switch when I turn it on.
Yeah.
How do you know about that? I said, Dad's an electrician. Who do you think helped the wire the shed?
There you go.
Well, my brother was watching in and the rest of us got only knows.
Really, eh?
Serious. Something incredibly on
Yeah. All right. Let's take a look.
Thomas, no.
What's that?
Thomas,
Oh, sorry.
was that your name?
No. I thought I wasn't really paying attention, and I just heard you say something.
There's product in there.
There's what?
There might be product in the sink. I think.
Yeah.
I tried to put the liver former down, and it was a slow one, and but okay, it got a little faster, and then it just blocked.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I told him, you've got to be careful. You put down the sink. I said, you can't, if the straw slides down, let me know. We'll call somebody, they'll trap it out and stop this nonsense.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah. That's what I thought I'd better let you know. There's probably liver farm something there, so just be careful with your hands.
No, I appreciate that. Thank you.
No, Thomas, you don't need to clean it. Thomas, no. No, you don't need to get involved with it, please.
All right. Honestly, it's usually grease when it's deeper down. If it's not in the trap, it's usually grease in the stack.
Crap.
Yeah, so, but that could be coming from anywhere up above, right?
Exactly, because I don't throw grease or oil down the sink. I got the familiar baking grease sitting in the fridge.
There you go.
That you throw out every week or two.
Yeah.
Dad wouldn't let us deal with mom, so you know, you do what you grow up with.
That's it.
Ooh, okay, not dripping now.
Yeah, so when the plumber comes to investigate the leak, see if he can change this out because it's still leaking.
Yep.
And I don't want to put too much pressure on it.
Right.
Because I don't want it to break and you not be able to use it at all.
These are old pipes, and they have not been used. They have been changed. We've been here for like almost 15 years.
Oh, really, eh?
Yeah, 14. We're already 14 years. We're 15 this year. When we this month actually. And of course, you know, they don't upgrade anything for tenants that are already existing. You only renovate when you move out.
I smile and nod. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, you know, that's just the way it is. However, they're not going to have a choice now.
Well, that's it, right? It's when...
The other thing is when they renovated 602, and they renovated 606, and they did 606, then they did a 701 and 501 again just now.
Yeah.
You'd think when they were checking the pipes and doing things and doing the renovations, if they saw old pipes that have been there for 50 years and not been changed.
You would think, right?
Or am I just having an attack of common sense?
Well,
Probably.
the problem with that is a lot of people don't have that.
Yeah, I know. You can't teach it. You're born with it.
That's
I've been
it.
at this for 35 years. I know.
So, I want you to keep your water running for about 20 minutes.
All right. Yeah, so
Sorry about that.
no problem.
Alright, I think we're good. I'm not. I'm going to be sneezing again. So yeah, just keep your water on for about a half an hour. Then you can shut it off.
Okay.
Alright?
Sounds good.
Have a good day. See, I knew it. I am, yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's okay though.
I'm sorry. I told you who it is.
You have a good day, alright? Alright, thank you. Pardon me. Alright, so there you go, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.